Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel, Naturally Hey. So today I'm going to show you all how to do a natural face beat like this. I don't use a lot of products and it doesn't take me long at all. And this is the only type of face I know how to do so far. So this is real natural, you know, straight to the point, blends in, you know, gets the blemishes, the spots, you know, everything to have your skin looking good and, you know, nice and hydrated. So yeah, stay tuned as I show you all how I got this look in less than 10 minutes. Okay, so first things first, I just got done cleansing my face and I'm about to apply this Laneige lip sleeping mask. Even though it's a sleeping mask, I still use it like fresh right after I wash my face at night and in the morning. Okay, so afterwards, just to make sure I get all the dirt and all the makeup from when I previously washed my face, I am going to use Haze Essentials. This is the Rejuvenating Facial Toner. So I'm just gonna spray it on here, and just to make sure that I get, you know, my face is fresh before I apply any type of makeup. And this toner also helps with setting makeup. It does very well with that. Okay, to keep it hydrated, I'm just going to like respray again and just rub that in. So just keep it hydrated, because it's like when you do it with a cotton ball and you clean everything off, it's just kind of like, you know, your face can feel a little bit dry, but to make sure you put that moisture back in, you go ahead and just spray again and just kind of like let it sit, let it dry. And you know, I'm glad I did this because you see the little bit of dirt that was on there. So we want to make sure we got clean and fresh skin. And so next, as a moisturizer, I use, which ones do I use? I'm gonna go for glowy skin today. So I'm gonna go for the Urban Skin RX, the glowing moisturizer. So I just do like 2 pumps. And bam. It's like you can see the glow already, right? But no. So this completes like my prep for makeup. So we can go ahead and get into everything that I'll be using. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to apply my foundation, and I use this NARS. It's the semi-matte foundation. It's the All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation. I'm just not getting into makeup, and you know, I learned how to do a natural beat, and you know, this is what I happen to like. And so I just usually put it on in a few places, like my cheeks, just rub a little bit on there, and then my forehead. And bam, that's what I do. And the way I rub it in is with this little sponge right here, and I kind of just spread all over. Making sure you get in the small places, like under your eye. I be getting everywhere. And the key with foundation that I'm learning is to make sure it all blends. Like, I'll be doing my foundation, and I feel like that's the key step, because you know, if your foundation does not blend, your makeup is gonna be off. Okay, that looks blended enough. And with the jawline, I kind of just do like that, just to make sure. And then you look for any marks on your face where you don't see that it's fully blended. Okay, so this is it after the foundation. So next I am going to apply my concealer, which is this MAC Pro Longwear concealer right here. And the way I like to do this one is just kind of like with the same sponge, I kind of just like with the tip of it, kind of like put a little bit on there, and then I dab it like this under my eye, like that, and then I kind of just blot it. And this is kind of like you gotta look up while you do it. And be careful not to get it in your eye. Okay, so you want to make sure that you see the difference of the lighter effect, but making sure it's not like way too much lighter. Okay, this looks pretty decent. Okay, so next, okay, I'm just making sure we looking all good. All right, so next I'm gonna go ahead, what I'm gonna do, eyebrows, or no, we're gonna go ahead and do mascara. So, no, I'm gonna do eyeliner first. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply like some light black eyeliner under my eyes. I'm using this e.l.f. liner. On the other side it has shadow, but I don't really wear eyeshadow like that, and I'm just gonna only do the liner. So I'm just going to line lightly. Very light. I didn't want to go like, too much. I'm not trying to, do the most. Okay, you see, very simple, very just straight to it, and that's it. So next we're gonna move into the mascara, and I use Fenty Beauty. Yeah, and so just gonna apply that. I always feel like I look crazy when I apply my mascaras. Like I really feel like I gotta concentrate. I usually just start off with the bottom first because it's easier for me to do it that way. And the tip I learned was to, when you're doing your mascara, to make sure your eyebrows, to make sure your eyelashes look fuller. You kind of just, as you're going up, you kind of wiggle it a little bit. Because at first I was just going straight up like that, but the wiggle, spreads the lashes apart. Okay, and voila, we got our lashes looking good. Ooh. What is this? Okay, the lashes look bomb. All right, so we are literally almost done because like I said, I don't do that many steps when I am doing this natural look. I kind of just stick to the basics. And so last but not least, I'm going to apply this e.l.f. Come on. This is the e.l.f. brow gel. Yeah, yeah, I don't know why it's not focusing, but yeah, it's just a brow gel. And so it's good to have two sides. Like this is like my makeup side, because you can see it's a little brown, and this is when I don't have on any type of makeup at all. And you know, you brush your eyebrows in the direction you want them to go. Brushing your brows makes a big difference, especially since I don't fill in my brows. You know, it makes a difference. And to top it off, I'm going to use MAC Studio NW48 Powder Plus Foundation. So I'm just going to apply just a little bit on my cheeks. You know, just like that. And I want to add just a little bit of glow to my look today. So I'm just going to, I have this Juvia's Place palette, and I'm going to use the gold one. And so I'm just going to get on the cheeks just like that. You know, just a little shimmer. We're not trying to be golden. Right, and to finish it all up, this, you know, this is basically it. And I'm going to apply this MAC Prep and Primer Fix. It's like some hydrating spray, which is pretty good, and I just spray all over. You know, keep your skin hydrated. And that is it for this natural look, just a natural beat. Very simple, very straight to the point. You know, quick, did this 10 minutes, you know, and I'll be sure to link all the items I use in the description box below. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was very helpful to you. This is my natural beat routine. So if you have any tips, suggestions, anything else, please comment down below and let me know. Okay, so thank you all for watching again. Remember to like, subscribe, all that. Thank you. Bye.